What's it say? Easy view fuse.
Come on, you can do it. Special
Look,
needs can do it.
I am retarded, dude. I barely manage most things. Jared! What are you doing, you dumblop? Well, get over here with your knife.
Country music.
Oh, I got my knife.
Come on, dude.
I thought ahead. There we go. Good enough. Okay. Place this side towards audience.
Who's the audience?
What? Them.
Oh, the cop.
Oh my God. Yeah!
I got hit in the taint.
Hit in the tank! That's pretty sweet! Damn, that thing is fucking nuts! Holy shit!